First line. My favorite holiday is Diwali. Second line. It is known as the Festival of Lights. Third line. I enjoy decorating my house with lamps and candles. Fourth line. We clean and decorate our home before the festival. Fifth line. I love wearing new clothes on this day. Sixth line. My family prepares many delicious sweets. Seventh line. We worship Goddess Lakshmi for prosperity. Eighth line. At night, we light diyas and enjoy fireworks. Ninth line. I spend quality time with my family and friends. 10th line. Diwali brings happiness, joy, and positivity to everyone.